Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my photos into anime using HeyGen. Let's see how they turn out. Did you know you can transform your everyday photos into stunning anime characters in just minutes? Let's find out how. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turned my photos into anime using HeyGen, a fascinating tool that brings your images to life. Many of us love anime but struggle to create our own characters or find the right style. How can we bridge that gap? I'll walk you through the process of using HeyGen, from uploading your photo to selecting styles and tweaking settings for the perfect anime look. The moment of transformation. Watch as my photo morphs into a vibrant anime character right before your eyes. To wrap up, we explored how easy it is to create anime art from photos and the creative potential it unlocks. If you enjoyed this transformation, be sure to check out my other videos for more fun content and let me know your thoughts in the comments. To get this powerful tool, sign up now for free, link in description below.